Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine. Today, we shall discuss the topic types of farming. In the previous class, we have discussed the farm system and the various terms like agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture, horticulture, and organic farming. So, let's start. As you know, farming is practiced in various ways across the world. Depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor, and level of technology, farming can be classified into two main types. These are subsistence farming and commercial farming. So, children, what are the two types of farming? Subsistence farming and commercial farming. First, about subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. Traditional low levels of technology and household labor are used to produce on small output. Subsistence farming can be further classified as intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence farming. In intensive subsistence farming, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Intensive subsistence agriculture is prevalent in the thickly populated areas. Primitive subsistence agriculture includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation is practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast India. The particularity of these areas are these are the areas of heavy rainfall and quick regeneration of vegetation. In the shifting cultivation, a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crops like maize, yam, potato and cassava are grown. When the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to new plot. So this cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Next, about nomadic herding. Nomadic herding is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. In this type of farming, people move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water. Their movement is dependent on climate and terrain. Sheep, camel and goats are most commonly reared. They provide milk, meat, wool and some other products to the herders and their family. Then commercial farming. What is commercial farming? In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. So what is commercial farming? In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. Here, the area cultivated and amount of capital used is large and most of the work is done by machines. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. In commercial farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Wheat and maize are common commercially grown grains. In mixed farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. While the plantations are a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown. Here, large amount of labor and capital are required. Let me conclude today's session. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. Take it down. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.